2025, how did it start? Well, I did my first session back in March, early April. See a fish pop his head out in the margins, flicked a little pineapple pop up on his head, 5 minutes and it was away.
31.10, real dumpy one. Bait was in the water 5 minutes, unbelievable. On the Eclipse pineapple pop up on a Ronnie in the margin. One of the quickest bites I've ever had. And it's my first session of 2025 too. Let's get him back.
Here we have a lovely common, scraper 20, caught on my ever faithful Eclipse Baits boilies. This was a Manbury wafter, over a little bed of bait, cracking way to start the session. So, first early morning bite, Eclipse Baits virus boilies, and then Eclipse Baits wafter and cook bait. Rattled off a stunning little football fish. Happy days.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
Rosie and Jim.
Rosie and Jim. Do you hang in a buffalo stance?
No, I walk like an Egyptian.
£29. Eclipse virus with an acorn topper. Little sweet corn flavoured topper in yellow on an overnighter. First thing in the morning, first light, just woke up to a drop back and this is the result. £29 one. Thought like it was £59 one. Let's put it back.
That don't look good.
No?
No.
What about?
Flossing. You're better at it than me.
Am I?
Yeah.
There we go. Rumbling about half an hour I've been here. Thought it was a stocky, but it's gone £20.4. Didn't put that much of a fight up, that's why I thought it was a stocky, but it's quite heavy in my hands, quite pleased with that. Just put a little bit of spot out and off it's gone. £20.4. Parked the car up, come down the bank, first swim I walked in, 3 fish, boshed out, thought that'd do, didn't even bother walking around the lake. And then Lee come down a couple of hours later, there he is. Ah, where are you? There you are.
No.
Are you a buffalo soldier?
No.
So put a load more bait in. Oh, there he is. All of a sudden I look really short again. Yeah, there's fish boshing out. I've got a couple of weeks off of work and I thought I was going to pop down for a couple of nights down my club lake. Found my peg, found some fish. So I went for peg 41, see a few fish, so I thought that's the one, but it's the longest push from the car park. Le Goaschuld. Here we go. £28. Well happy. Perfect. Let's get him back. So yeah, I'm going to get some more bait in. See if we can get some more, eh? Happy days. £20 too. As I said, I put some more bait in. Waited about half an hour. And this one went. Dropped that bite. And it was hooked in the top lip. Don't have to see that, do you? £20 too. Happy with that. We're going to the final night. What has it got in store? One more hopefully, yeah. Yeah, one more. There we go. 27.6. Number 3. Just it's getting dark. Put a bit more bait out. And it's away. 27.6. Happy days. Number 4, the smallest one, £18. It's like one of the stockies. But I'm not grumbling. Carp's a carp. Happy. First thing in the morning. £18. Full powder jacket again with an icon. Pink seems to be the colour this time. £18. Back down for another session on the Kent Club Lake. But I've looked at the forecast and I've taken a bit of a strategic gamble. I'm going to go back into peg 41 where I fished last week, because the wind is changing and it's going to be pushing down here tomorrow. So fingers crossed that I made the right decision. A bit of a gamble, but I'm sure it's going to work. £15 stocky, nice scaly one. Type in the account, nice one. Nice and pretty that one, isn't it? It'll grow to be a stunner. This is ridiculous. I'll be happy with one more carp. Come on, carp gods, give me one more carp. There's that many out there. I've got it again. Just I'll turn the camera around because you've got to see this. believe it, another 15 pounder. Another stocky. Got me out of bed. Fought really hard. But it's another small one. Where are these big ones? Not complaining though, as I say, I love catching carp, regardless of the size. Right, let's put him back, get the rods out, get back to sleep. It'd just be nice to see something showing, so my confidence levels would go up. But at the moment, nothing, not even any fizzing, so. I'm back down the Club Lake for a 24-hour. So what have I done? I've gone in with 15 spoms again off the flake maize, and then I've put 5 spoms of just boilie on the spots at 8 wraps, fishing probably about 15 to 18 foot of water, going down to a nice hard donk. There we go, 23 pound. Long fish, isn't it? First fish of the night. Got down here early afternoon. Only put a couple of rods out, a little bit of bait. And this one's gone off 1 o'clock in the morning. 23 pound. Happy with him. Thank you very much. Fished well, baits on the spots, hitting the clip. Yeah, just a shame the sizes weren't a little bit bigger. It's boilies, it's a confidence thing, isn't it? If you're confident in it, use it. And I'll see you on the next one. Enjoy fishing.